Packing for a cruise sounds simple, right? Until you realize how easy it is to bring things you don't need, aren't allowed, or you just take up valuable space. In this video, we're breaking down what not to pack for a cruise so you can save space,
avoid problems at boarding, and even save money along the way.
Hi, I'm Shug.
And I'm Alan. Welcome back to Shug and Alan's Travel Channel. If you find this video helpful or entertaining in any way, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already.
Now let's jump right in. Tip number 1, irons or steamers.
Can't bring either of those on a cruise ship. They will get confiscated. They got a little table off to the side where you see the people that try to bring this stuff on, and they catch it, they hold it till the end of the cruise. So most of the cruise ships have little laundry facilities where you can go yourself, use their washers and dryers. Sometimes they'll have irons there to iron your clothes. They also have a service where they'll do that for you at an extra fee.
All right, tip number 2, hard liquor.
Don't do it. Don't bring it. They will confiscate it. Sometimes they'll give it back to you at the end of the cruise. Sometimes they'll make you throw it in the trash. You can bring on a bottle of wine, but no hard liquor.
Tip number 3, too many shoes.
All right. I had to battle with Shug to put this one on the list because she's guilty of it. So too many shoes can take up a lot of storage space.
Yes,
so
a lot.
That's extra suitcases you got to bring if you're flying somewhere. Might make you cause you to check a bag in. So too many shoes, try and cut them down if you can.
Yes. Tip number 4, expensive jewelry.
So yeah, you kind of want to try and limit that. You take the chance of losing it in swimming pools, losing it in the ports.
Getting stolen.
Yeah, getting stolen. So try and keep it to a minimum how much expensive jewelry you bring on a cruise ship. Just our opinion.
Yes. All right. Tip number 5, full-size toiletries.
You definitely want to consider getting the travel size, especially if you're flying. If you're flying, you've got to check them in. That means you got to check another bag. Shug and I generally just try and take a carry-on bag each to save us from having to pay for a checked bag. It also saves you space. So it just makes it easier for you. One less bag possibly that you've got to take on the cruise.
Tip number 6, beach towels.
Don't bother bringing them. They take up a lot of storage space, and the cruise lines provide beach towels. Some of them you got to check out, and if you don't return it, they're going to charge you for it, but they will provide you with beach towels, so save the space.
Tip number 7, illegal snacks or fresh produce.
Don't bring them on board. Meats, dairy, homemade items, products not sealed in their original packaging, they will get confiscated and or they'll make you throw them in the trash. So don't try and bring them on the cruise ship. You got lots of food to eat on there. Yeah, leave it at home.
Tip number 8, surge protected power strips.
Yep, same thing. They will confiscate them. You can bring power strips on most cruise lines, but not surge protected power strips. We recommend the little USB multi-port plug-ins. You can plug in your USB cables, charge multiple devices, your cell phones, your laptops. So leave the surge protected power strips at home.
Tip number 9, drones.
So for you drone enthusiasts, and I love bringing my drone on the cruise ships, they're going to make you check it in. Some cruise lines won't let you take them at all. Some cruise lines will make you check them in. You won't be able to take it to your stateroom. Make sure you check with the cruise line you're sailing on. When I brought mine on, basically they'll check it in, and then when I get to a cruise port, if I want to use it, I have to go let them know they've got it. They go retrieve it, bring it back to me, and then when I get back on the ship, I got to check it back in again. So they won't let you take it to your stateroom.
Tip number 10, candles.
This is an easy one. Don't bring them on. They'll confiscate it. They're a fire hazard. So no candles on board.
Tip number 11, weapons or self-defense items.
So don't bring them on the cruise ship, or don't attempt to bring them on the cruise ship. It's going to cause you a lot of problems, not just confiscation. There could be other ramifications behind it. So don't bring any weapons. Don't bring any self-defense items on any cruise ship.
Tip number 12, portable speakers.
So this is something that's fairly new. Most cruise lines do not allow you to bring portable speakers on the ship. Some of them will let you, but you can't play them in public areas. But the majority of them that we're aware of, you are not allowed to bring portable speakers on the cruise ship anymore.
All right, tip number 13, high value electronics that you won't use.
So like the shoes with Shug, I'm the electronics guy. She'll find me bringing my MacBook Pro, but I'm working with that. My iPad, my Nintendo Switch.
Yes, keep going.
I'm gonna cut it off right there. So yeah, if you're not gonna use it, high valued items, don't bring them. A lot of them won't fit in your stateroom safe anyhow. So yeah, if you're not gonna use it, don't bring it. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thanks for sticking around and watching it. If you guys have any more tips to add to them, put them in the comments below. We would love to hear them. We want to thank all of our members. We really appreciate your support. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the like button, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.